Okay, first, diff fluid, 1K and 2K weight. I got 10 weight shock fluid for the FMS24, and I got some chrome paint also for the FMS24. It's yeah, I want to do some chrome on that. We'll see how that turns out. The smokestack, maybe the door handles, maybe the fenders, we'll see. That might be too much. So that's for the FMS24. Oh, the diff fluid is actually for my Success Kraton. The recommendation is 90 weight in the shocks for that vehicle. 90 weight is sold out everywhere because that's what everybody's using. So I looked up that 2000 and 1000 put together will be close to 90 or 100, and I'm gonna stick up a little chart right here now to show you where I saw that information. And then the last thing, well, second to last thing, this is the Camaro body for my Kyosho Fazer. It's a Camaro Z28. That's the original body I had on my Fazer. These things hardly ever come out. They are sold out all the time. I got a notification from A-Main that they were back in stock. I jumped on it right away. Nice thing about these Kyosho bodies is they have the best trim. Look at these chrome pieces. That's awesome. When my temporary body, which is the Supra on the Fazer, gets busted up, I will have this to put back on. Paint and put back on. So that's cool. The last thing that's in here, this is a 050 hex tip, speed tip for the FMS wheels that I have. So I'm going to put on some, hoping to put on some Trio wheels, and they're beadlocks, and they have so many of those tiny little bolts that I got this on a speed tip. I'll have to be very careful. We'll see. I might just use it in my non-battery powered screwdriver handle. We'll just take a look and play that by ear. I wanted to get the MIP set, but or the MIP bit, but they were sold out everywhere. Hobby shops don't seem to carry them online, and for me to get it off the MIP site, they wanted like $9 for shipping. So I went with this EcoPower one. We'll be careful with it, and hopefully it'll be okay. So that's it for now. If you want to see these parts being put to good use, subscribe, like this video, and ring that bell so you know when I post more videos with this these parts being included. Until next time.